So I just saw a trailer on YouTube, and judging by the amount of views that there are on that YouTube video, I don't think वो trailer अब तक पहुंचा है. And you know what? It's a shame. Hi, this is Shine Reacts on JTF, and my name is shockingly Shine. I just saw the trailer of this series called Black, White and Grey Love Kills. You know, the trailer starts with a scene which is kind of every boy's dream, and then it gives the feel of like a chocolate commercial. Then it develops into what you would associate with a car commercial, and then it takes a completely different turn. Honestly, ये जब turn आया, I was kind of shocked कि अरे ये क्या हो गया trailer में? Okay, so first things first, whoever has made the trailer, the person, the team, they've done a very good job. ये पूरी कहानी आपको नहीं बताते हैं, लेकिन they introduce you to kind of the storyline and they leave you with a lot of intrigue. Also, very interesting thing about the trailer, जो मैंने बाकी इंडियन OTT सीरीज के ट्रेलर और मूवीज में नहीं देखा है, जितना मैंने देखा है, it combines supposed documentary footage with let's say dramatized footage and gives you the feel कि अरे ये तो रियल कहानी है. पर मेरे इंटेंस रिसर्च के बाद मुझे ये पता चला है कि no, this is not based on any real incident. Doesn't seem like that. At least makers of the movie have not put out any such statement in the press as well. It's a fictional story, but it gives you the feel of a real story because it combines interviews, documentary footage along with dramatized version. This series seems to be about broken families, power games and caste divide, and it has got some really good actors in there. इसमें तिग्मांशु धूलिया जी हैं और मयूर मोरे भी है, जिनको हमने लास्ट कोटा फैक्ट्री में देखा था. बताइए, IIT के बाद सीधा लवर बॉय का रोल. You know, sometimes you watch a trailer and you get a feeling that when this OTT series comes out, it'll be very difficult job not to binge watch this. Black, White and Grey Love Kills gives you the sense that this is going to be that kind of series. मैं तो बोलता हूँ मेरे पे विश्वास ही मत करो, आप खुद जाकर ट्रेलर देखो तो आपको पता चलेगा कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, क्यों बोल रहा हूँ. The OTT series comes out on the 2nd of May. 1st of May छुट्टी है, 2nd of May is a Friday. मैं तो कह रहा हूँ Friday को sick leave लीजिए, binge watch this and then come back and tell me on this video कि ये series कैसी लगी आपको. लेकिन उससे पहले ट्रेलर देख के प्लीज कमेंट डाउन बिलो, लेट मी नो, आर यू एज एक्साइटेड अबाउट ब्लैक, व्हाइट एंड ग्रे लव किल्स as I am. This was Shine Reacts on JTF. Please let me know what other things or other videos should we react on, what other series do you want us to react on, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.
Just to feel me, just to feel